That's the last bottle. No. I better call them. What was their number again? I pressed the wrong numbers. They keep moving. I'm gonna wait until they come home then. What does it matter? They're probably cheating anyway. Nah, I shouldn't think like that. I'm not like those other girls who think that their baby's cheating. My baby never cheats. They never cheat. My voice sounds funny. I'm talking into a bottle. I want cuddles. When will they come back? I want kisses, and I want cuddles. I want kisses and cuddles. It's my last bottle. I shouldn't waste it. But it tastes so good. When are they coming home? I miss my baby. I want my baby back. I want my baby back. I want to sleep for a little bit. Just for a little bit. No, I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait until my baby comes back. My baby. How do I sound? How do I say it again? My baby. I'm gonna wait, I can't close it. I can't close the bottle. There we go. I'm gonna save it. I'm gonna save it for 40 maybe minutes, or maybe 3 minutes. Maybe 3 minutes. And I need to go to the bathroom because I need to pee. I need to pee. I need to pee. Baby, baby, you're home. Give me kisses. Give me. Wait, I can't sit up. Hold my hand. Let me sit up. Let me. The world is spinning. Don't worry about me. I got at least one bottle. Maybe, yes, one bottle. No, don't say anything. Don't say anything. You just be quiet and let me kiss those four. Are there 4 heads? When did you get 4 heads? No, not a forehead. 4 heads. When did you get 4 heads? I want to kiss and let me kiss those 4 heads. I see face. I kiss. I see. Give me kisses, baby. Give me kisses. I want kisses. I want cuddles. Come here. Come here. Come here. No. Baby, I don't care if I smell. I don't smell. I don't smell. I'm fine. Okay, I lied. I may or may not have lied about having 1 bottle. I've had at least 1, 2, 5. Yes, I know my numbers. I'm a big kid. I'm a big kid now. Baby, I tired. I want to cuddle. No, I'm sleeping on the couch. I tired. I love you. You take such good care of me. I love my baby.